Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to explain to you why you can't find a people nearby feature on Telegram anymore. The reason for that is actually super simple, guys. So let me explain it to you really quickly in this video. Drop a like and now let us get started. So if you launch the Telegram application, be it on your iPhone or Android, and access your contact list here in the top left corner, you will see the following features listed as above: new group, new contact or new channel, as well as your contacts listed below. Unfortunately, you will not find the find people nearby feature or option here anymore. And the reason for that is actually super simple and self-explanatory, guys. According to that article I found online, Telegram decided to remove that feature just recently for all Telegram versions on all device types, be it Android or iOS, due to issues with bots and scammers, to quote that article here. Plus, guys, I don't want to go too much into detail here, but don't expect that feature to be restored by Telegram anywhere soon, because the people nearby feature has proven to not provide any extra value to Telegram users according to that information here. So guys, if you see any tutorials out there claiming that they know how to teach you how to restore that feature and how to find people nearby in the Telegram app, don't believe them, because that feature doesn't exist anymore in Telegram and is not supported anymore. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.